Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Mathematics in English Medium by Gyanesh ji sir. If you are not subscribed my YouTube channel, then subscribe it and like and comment also it. So today's topic is sector of circle. In previous video we have already learned that what is the circle. Circle, the collection of all points which have fixed distance from a fixed point. Fixed distance is called radius of circle. Fixed point is called center of circle. And a line segment join 2 points of a circle, that is called chord. Chord divide the circle in 2 parts, that is called segment of circle. Similarly, 2 radius divide is called sector of circle. Today we are learn the sector of circle. Just see it. If we have a circle, it is circle, fixed point, that is called circle. Fixed point, the distance from center, that is called radius, and 2 radius, first radius OA and second radius OB. These 2 radius divide the whole circle in 2 parts. First part is inside of this circle and second is other part. By this method we can divide the whole circle in 2 parts. So then we get a 2 parts, that is called sector of circle, and the length of the circumference in a sector, that is called length of arc. Length of arc, the part of circumference of circle in a sector, that is called length of arc. Today we learn how to find the length of arc, means AB length in rounded system, and what is the area of OAB, that is called sector area. So let's start today's first question. Here we have radius of a circle is 7 cm and angle of a sector is 90 degree. Means we have a circle which radius is 7 cm and its sector angle, mean angle on center is 90 degree. We have to find minor. Minor means small area, small sector area. Here we see that it's a small sector area, that is called minor sector area, and it's is large part, that is called major sector area. And we have also find the length of arc, means AB distance on a circumference. So we use the formula. Here we see that we are finding the part of a circle which make complete angle is 360, but here sector angle is 90 degree. Means we find the area of 90 degree from 360 degree, because angle a total arc we know always. Similarly, in minute hand we know that if total round minute of minute hand is 60 minutes. Similarly, second hand total round time is 60 seconds, and hours hand total round time is 12. By this method we know that every time we find the one part from the total. By this method we can find the minor sector area and length of arc. Length of arc. We know that the complete length of arc, means circumference of circle is always 2 pi r. Circumference of circle is 2 pi r. We know that. But here we have to find the 90 degree angle sector area from 360. So we use the formula is 90 upon 360, means that friction which make by given angle, given things from total things. So the length of arc formula is 2 pi r multiply 90 upon 360. If we cross out 2, then we got pi r multiply 9 thetas. Similarly, if we want to check, if we have given any angle thetas, make its ratio with total angle. If we have minute hand, then we make angle the part from total things. So our formula is 2 pi r multiplied theta upon 360. Use this formula and solve it. Every time remember that if you want to find the sector, then take the angle and given things on center part from total. So value 2 multiply 22 upon 7 multiply 7 multiply 90 upon 360. Cross out 7 cancel by 7, 0 cancel by 0, 9 4 times, 2 1 2 times and 2 cancel 11 times. Our answer is 11 centimeter. Similarly, if you want to find minor sector, minor sector area. Minor sector area, we know that the formula of area of sector is, area of circle is pi r square. Now we have to find the sector for 90 degree. 90 degree is a angle and total angle is 360. Then what is the friction? 90 upon 360 means theta upon 360. All time which are given, use the friction with total things and multiply the pi r square and 2 pi r. For area pi r square and length 2 pi r. Because circumference r, total circumference is 2 pi r. So solving it, 22 upon 7 multiply 7 multiply 7 multiply 90 upon 360. Here 7 cancel by 7, 0 cancel by 0, 9 1 4 times, 2 cancel 11 2 times. Now multiply 11 7 is 77 upon 2, dividing it we get 38.5 centimeter square. Always remember that in a circle, if you want to find the sector area and length of arc, always use the circumference formula and area formula. Area formula is pi r square and circumference formula is 2 pi r. And take the friction. Take the friction with given thing to total things. Given thing to total things. So let's start next question. And again remember that always solving it, remember what is the total circle area, what is the circumference length. So let's start second question. Here we have given the length of an hour end. Means we have a clock in circle system and hour end's length is 6 centimeter. Means radius is 6 centimeter for hour end and it make angle by swept this hour end in 90 minutes. Means after 90 minutes. Suppose that it will be changed this in after 90 minutes. Then we have to find the area of OAB sector. In previous question, we have already learned that area of sector. In other language, minor sector, area of minor sector, because area of sector and minor sector both area are same. Only for finding major sector area in examiner write in question. Otherwise, he write find the area of sector in general form. So let's start. For solving this question, in previous question we have already learned that the formula is pi r square multiply theta upon 360. This is but only for angles because theta is the angle and 360 is the complete angle. But here we have given 90 minutes. 90 minutes. So we have to find the friction with the total minute for rounding the hour's hand. One rounding of the hour's hand. So pi value is 22 upon 7. Radius is 6 multiply 6. Theta. Here we are not given theta. Here we are given 90 minutes. Use 90 minutes. And finding the total time for completing a one round for hour's end. We know that hour's end complete the round in 12 hours. How many times? 12 hours. Every hour's end complete the round in a clock in 12 hours. So completing rounding time is 12 hours. But here we have given the 90 minutes. So we have to change 12 hours in minutes. So multiply it by 60. Now we have both are in minutes. 90 minutes are given and 12 multiplied 60 is the total minute for complete round for hour 7. Complete round for hour 7. By this method, we can calculate area of sector easily. Now, cross out. Here, 0, 0, 6, 6, 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 2, 2 cross out by 11. Now we get 11 and 9, 11 9 is 99 upon 7. Now divide it, 7 1 is 7, remaining 2, 7 4 is 28, remaining 1, 0, 7 1 is 7, 3, 30, 7 4 is 28. Now our answer is 14.1414 centimeter square. Every time you remember that for finding the area of sector, we use the pi r square multiply the friction of given things to complete round things. Here we have given minutes, then we find the friction with the total minute for completing the round. Total minute for completing the round. Here we have given hours hand, so we find the completing round for hours hand. If we have given minute hand, then we have to find the completing round for minute hand. So let's start next question. Here we have given radius of circle is 7 cm. The angle subtended at the center by arc is 60 degree. Means we have given a circle. Always for sector area we have given a circle and which radius is 7 cm. And make angle on center is 60 degree. Means sector angle is 60 degree. Now we have to find the length of arc, means length of AB on circumference. So we have to find the length of arc. Length of arc, we know that the complete length of arc for completing circle is 2 pi r. So write it 2 pi r. And for we have given angle on center is 60 degree. So we find the friction with angle with the total angle. Angle with the complete angle means total angle. So means theta upon 360 and solve it. Then we get 2 multiply 22 upon 7 multiply 7 multiply 60 upon 360. Now 7 cancel. 0, 0, 6, 1, 6. Here, then 2 cross out 1, here get 3. Means our answer is 22 upon 3. Divided 7.33 centimeter. It is the length of arc for angle is 60 degree and radius is 7 centimeter. By this method we can calculate the any questions area of sector and length of arc for given angle and minutes time also. So let's take today's last question. Here we have given radius of circle is 10.5 centimeter and angle of sector is 45 degree. Means here we have given the circle which radius is 10.5 centimeter and angle is 60 degree. Now we have to find the area of sector, means OAB sector area. Sometimes we represent it by shaded system. So it does not affect on our solution. Next we have to find the area of minor sector. Some students are confused for minor sector and sector area. Do not confuse in any question if we have given sector area and minor sector area, because both means are here. Only for major sector area we find first minor sector area and subtract it from complete circle area. From complete circle area. So does not take any tension of sector area. So solving it, we know that the formula of minor sector area is theta upon 360 because angle friction with the complete angle multiply circle area means pi r square. Put the value is 60 upon 360 multiply 22 upon 7 multiply 10.5 multiply 10.5. We have already learned that if we have any decimal in our question, first remove the decimal. After removing this decimal, we get 10 and here also 10. And solving it, 0 cancel. 6, 6 36, 7. 7 cross out this, 7 1 is 7, 3 5 50. Now both are dividing by 3. 2 5, 2 dividing 2 1 is 2, 2 1 1 11. Now we get in denominator we have only 10 and 10. And numerator have 11, 5 and 105. We can also cross out 10 and 5 and 10 and 105. But if we have in denominator only 1 digit and 0 digit, we does not cross out it. We multiply numerator and write the decimal after number of 0. Here number of 0 is 2. So write in decimal in question is after digit 2. So multiplying it, 11 5 is 55. Then 105 multiplied by 55. 5 5 25 means 525. Again 525. Then we got answer is 5775. So our answer is 5775 and write the decimal after 2 digits. It is our solution. By this method we can calculate easily the area of sector and length of arc. So if you are not subscribed my YouTube channel, then subscribe it and click on bell icon. And also comment what is the problem and what is the learned in this video. So if you have any type of problem in area of sector, write in comment box and I give the answer of that comment. So thank you for watching this video.